How to make Instagram account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. If you want more control over who sees your post and stories, this is a perfect way to go. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you are inside the app, tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner. And once you are in your profile, tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner. And you will be prompted to the menu section. From there, simply scroll down and tap on Account Privacy. Now you are in the privacy section. The first option you will see is private account. This is what you need to enable in order to make your account private. Now toggle the switch next to private account to turn it on. And once that switch is on, only people you approve can see your post, stories and other content on your account. If someone wants to follow, they will need to send a request and you can either approve them or deny it. And that's how you can make your Instagram account private in just few simple steps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.